Dear viewers, Maulana Rum Rahmatullahi Ta'ala describe each and everything in the 40 rules of love. There are some highlights, just watch the video. How we see God, the path to the truth, knowing your ego. How can we study God? Maulana Rumi describe about intellect and love as well. Value of broken heart, voice of silence, difference between loneliness and solitude. What to do when all doors remain closed? What is patience and impatience? What is the meaning of be thankful to God? Journey of within. How can we love perfected? Difference between fake guru and genuine spiritual master. If your life is turning upside down, your importance in the sight of God. Learn to love God's creation. One type of dirt that cannot be cleansed with pure water. Where is Shaitan? Don't look for Shaitan outside. How to control on others misbehave. Maulana Rumi said, don't go with the flow, be the flow. Reality of this world in the sight of Rumi. How to discover the divine secret inside. Hell and heaven's philosophy. What are the 4 levels understanding of the Holy Quran? Gossip behind anyone's back. Importance of the present moment. What is destiny? Why in our lives there are illness, accident, loss of right moments. Nothing should stand between you and God. Consciousness of nothingness. Peace inside. What does it mean to die before death? Definition of love.